Have you ever stopped to consider the pivotal role that farming machines play in modern agriculture? Well, if not, today is your day of enlightenment. Picture this. It's the dawn of civilization, and a farmer is toiling under the sweltering sun, armed with nothing more than rudimentary tools. He's plowing the land, sowing seeds by hand, and reaping the harvest with sheer manpower. This is the image that traditional farming methods conjure up. It's a labor-intensive, time-consuming, and physically demanding process. The yield, often it's just enough to get by. Fast forward to the present day. The sun still rises, the farmer still works the land, but the scene has drastically changed. Today's farmer is not alone. He has a team of mechanical allies at his disposal. Combining these machines with the farmer's knowledge and dedication, the landscape of agriculture has been completely transformed. The humble tractor, a symbol of modern farming, plows the land in a fraction of the time it would take a human. It's not just about speed, though. Precision planters sow seeds at exact intervals and depths, optimizing growth potential and minimizing waste. Combine harvesters, true to their name, combine the processes of reaping, threshing, and winnowing, streamlining the harvest and significantly reducing the labor required. These machines, and many others, are the unsung heroes of our daily bread. And it's not just about efficiency. Modern farming machines have also opened up new possibilities. They've made large-scale farming feasible, increasing food production to levels that could never have been achieved with traditional methods. They've made farming more sustainable with machines that optimize water and fertilizer use and reduce soil erosion. Yet the benefits of farming machines aren't limited to the fields. They've also transformed the lives of farmers. Farming is no longer the back-breaking work it once was. With machines taking on the heavy lifting, farmers can focus on planning, management, and innovation. So what can we glean from this comparison? The contrast between traditional farming methods and modern machinery-based methods is stark. The former, while admirable for its grit and perseverance, is labor-intensive and limited in scale. The latter, on the other hand, is efficient, scalable, and sustainable. In summary, farming machines are the unsung heroes of modern agriculture. They've transformed the process from being labor-intensive to efficient, from small scale to large scale, and from environmentally taxing to sustainable. They've not only revolutionized the field of agriculture, but also improved the lives of farmers. Without a shadow of doubt, farming machines are indispensable in the modern world. They are more than just tools. They are the driving force behind our daily sustenance. So the next time you enjoy a meal, spare a thought for these marvels of engineering that made it possible.